Hello and welcome back. In this session, we talked about the sets and how to manipulate them. In this video, we will be looking at how to carry out set operations. Max is a set operations carry out. That's Python sets other built-in methods. So, firstly, Python set operations. We have four main operations that we can carry out. On the set union, then we have the intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Now, these operations carry out, we can either use the operators or the methods. So for this example, we'll take two sets. One set will 5 elements declare. Set A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B has 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Max we can Venn diagram these sets represent 4 and 5 and sets common, they will appear in the intersection. So the first operation we have is the union of sets. Two sets in the union two sets elements without duplicates add union. So Python you can perform union using either the pipeline operator or using the union method. Operator inside the union method argument pass. So syntax example we've created two sets, and if I say print A pipeline B, that is basically printing the union of A and B. In the operator, if I'm using the method, I will write A dot union of B or B dot union of A. Unions in the case, the order doesn't matter. A union B will be the same as B union A. So, Venn diagram set union is basically all the elements in both the sets without duplication. Now, this example output the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 and 5 two sets because it is a union, we will remove the duplicates. 8 elements two cases output. Next, you have the set intersection. Two sets common elements return set intersection. So in Python, the intersection is performed using the AND operator, or the ampersand operator. Method, the name of the method is the intersection method. Example, same two sets will print A and B, either A intersection B. So in that case, in the Venn diagram, two sets common elements return. That's A dot intersection of B. In both cases, the output will be 4 and 5. Because these two sets common elements are 4 and 5. Here A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. So the order doesn't matter. The third operation is set difference. Set difference, if I say difference of set B from set A, rather A minus B, it basically means the elements in A which are not in B. Rather A elements without counting those in B. That is A minus B. Similarly, B minus A will be the set of elements in B but not in A. In this case, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Python difference is carried out using the minus operator, and method is called the difference method. So in the example I am printing A minus B and B minus A. Similarly, with the method it will be A dot difference of B, which is the same as A minus B, and B dot difference of A, which is the same as B minus A. So A minus B, Venn diagram represent it is basically all the elements in A without those in B. In this example, if I say print A minus B, the output will be 1, 2 and 3. 4 and 5 and B, those will be removed. 1, 2, 3, that is A unique elements print. If I say print B minus A, B in the set unique elements print. In this case, it will be 6, 7 and 8. Same way, A dot difference of B will give you 1, 2, 3, and B dot difference of A will give you 6, 7, 8. Next, you have the set symmetric difference. The symmetric difference is basically the set of elements in A and B but not in both. That is, A and B unique elements in the collection symmetric difference. So set difference is basically only the elements in one set without those in the other. സിമെട്രിക് ഡിഫറൻസിൽ രണ്ട് സെറ്റ്സിലും യൂണീക്ക് ആയിട്ടുള്ള എലിമെന്റ്സിന്റെ കളക്ഷൻ ആയിരിക്കും ഉണ്ടാവുക. So symmetric difference is performed using the caret operator and the method is called symmetric underscore difference. For example, here we are printing a caret b, which is basically all the elements in a and b but not in both. Otherwise, print a dot symmetric difference of b, which is the same as b dot symmetric difference of a. In two cases, if you look at the sets, a unique elements are 1, 2, 3, b are 6, 7 and 8. So a symmetric difference b or b symmetric difference a will give you 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Two sets common aayittulla 4 and 5 will be removed. In case a symmetric difference b is the same as b symmetric difference a. So these are the main 4 set operations for Python sets. We have a bunch of built-in methods for sets. Sets operate data manipulate you have a couple of methods that we can use. The is the is disjoint method. That is, we have two sets common element if the intersection of two sets is null or empty, they are said to be disjoint sets. So the is disjoint method will return true if both sets have a null intersection. For example, A intersection B empty anengil A and B are disjoint sets. So is disjoint of A and B will return true. Next one is the is subset method. Is subset it checks if one set is the subset of another set. Right? For example, if you have two sets, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is 2 and 3. So basically B is inside A. B elements of A, which means B is a subset of A. So if I write B dot is subset of A, it will return true. That is, B A subset anengil B dot is subset of A will return true. Adinte nere thirichulladana is superset ennu parayunnu. That is, if I write A dot is superset of B, it will return true because A is the superset of B. That is, if B is the subset of A, then A will be the superset of B. So is superset will return true if this set contains another set. We have some other methods that we can use to manipulate sets. For example, all method returns true if all the elements of the set are true or if the set is empty. That is, one set all elements are true anengil. Either non-zero values or non-boolean values, either non-zero values or non-empty values. If all the elements are true, it will return true. Adalla, if the set is empty, in case it will return true. The opposite of that is the any method. That is, one set one element true anengil polum, it will return true. If the set is empty, it will return false. Then we have the length method, which calculates the number of items in the set. The max method returns the largest item in the set. The min method returns the smallest element in the set. Sorted method is used to sort the set. Sorted method a set in sort instead it will return a sorted list from the elements in the set. Because set ordering is not possible, so the sorted method will return a list which contains the sorted elements. Then we have the sum method, which returns the sum of all elements in this set. So these are the popular set methods used for Python. We have a lot of other set methods that we've already seen. For example, the add method to add elements, or update method. Otherwise, we have the pop method or the clear method. We have a lot of other built-in methods to manipulate sets as well. Thank you for listening.